Hello guys, welcome to my channel Leash Update once again. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you about an app that has been quietly helping people to earn some extra cash just by using their internet. Do well to stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video, as I'll be leaving no stone unturned. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. What I do on the channel is that I drop videos on how you can make money with just your phone and your internet connection directly from your home. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video on how to make money online. I share every week. Now let's dive into today's video. Today I'm really excited to tell you about this app you can see right there on your screen. Now guys, the name of this app is called Gain, and yes, it actually pays you in real money for doing basically nothing. I mean basically nothing. Here's how it works. Once you install Gain on your device and connect to the internet, it shares a small portion of your unused bandwidth with their secure network. And guess what guys, you get paid for it. What I love about Gain is how passive it is. There are no surveys, no clicking ads, no jumping through hoops. It just runs in the background while you go about your day, browsing, streaming, even sleeping, and you're still earning. How cool is that? This app has been around since 2022 and even up to date, they are still going strong. Payments are normally made in dollars. As you can see here, I have about $5 over here. Once you reach the minimum payout, which is usually $20, you will have access to withdraw your $20 for free directly to your crypto account or crypto wallet, wherever you want to withdraw to. Now, here's the best part. If you sign up using the referral code link on your screen, you get a $3 bonus instantly just for registering. That's free money to kickstart your earnings with Gain. Another thing I like on this platform is that you earn more each time you refer someone. As you can see here, refer and earn. For each person you refer, he or she will get a $3 bonus to start with, while you'll be given $5 as your reward. I believe this video has been helpful to you. Do well to give it a like, most especially subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop videos on how you can earn money online for free with just your phone and your internet connection, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Let me know in the comment section if you received your $3 bonus. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.